Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful dip powder nail design using Revel and Rusty nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Lola, Rusty Nails Honeymoon Dip Powder, Kiara Sky Pure White, and Pro Dip Silver Dip Powder. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of clear acrylic powder to my nails. So I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. This is done to protect my natural nails from the color. I'd like to also mention that this is an optional step. So starting on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into honeymoon dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. Now onto the ring finger, I'm doing a chevron moon color block design. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I angle my finger into the honeymoon dip powder, and then I placed my finger into the silver and then the white dip powder, and then I dipped it into the Lola dip powder. I did 4 layers of this only because Lola took a little longer to reach full opacity, but I only showed 2 layers. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. On the middle finger, I did a vertical color block, which is very simple if you have these containers to work with. But it was very difficult to do because I had to ensure I was in frame while doing it. So I'd like to blame you guys for this not being centralized, and I hope you all accept blame because it's your fault. Yes, you. I'm speaking to you. Either it was centralized and y'all couldn't see what I was doing, or vice versa. And this is the result of the latter. I hope you all are happy. Okay, I'm joking, FYI, because I know someone would assume I'm being serious. So disclaimer, this is a joke, a very stale joke, but a joke regardless. Anyways, the design wasn't really in the center as I'd like it to be, but let's pretend that's it in the center, okay? So when doing this, you have to ensure that there is a lot of powder in the container so that the powder itself could make a straight line. You also have to mold it into making the straight line. I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense, but I hope you guys could see what I'm doing. I did 4 layers of this, and when I was finished, the pink area still wasn't at full opacity, so I just placed base down the center of the nail and sprinkled some of the dip powder on the nail. I did that twice. And honestly, you couldn't really tell if the design was really centralized or not by looking at it. You have to really scrutinize it to tell. And I know I like to scrutinize my nails, so that's why I know it's not centralized. But you guys probably may not be able to see it, but I can, you know. Now on the index finger, I did 3 layers of the Lola dip powder. Now on the thumb, I did a color block to incorporate all of the colors. I realized that I only used Kiara Sky Pure White twice in this design. The white didn't get a chance to shine like the rest. The white wasn't that necessary for this design, but it's okay. So I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 2. Then, when I was finished, I encapsulated the nails with some clear dip powder. I did about 3 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited a while, then began filing. This is after filing and buffing of the nails. And now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat. And I chose gel top coat. Now, if I wanted to choose the powder top coat, I would apply some activator, wait a while, apply one layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and apply another layer of top coat with nice slow strokes. However, since I'm using gel top coat, I don't have to apply any activator. I just go in with the top coat and I cure for 60 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil. So, if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!